And my name is Amina Fatima. We are the scientists of Scholar Technology. Welcome to our science fair. Today I am going to answer our research question. How to identify hydrogen gas in the reaction. First I am taking acetic acid and add into test tube. And I am taking magnesium liquid and drop into this solution, and quickly I lock the morph by help taking this stopper. For this test we are going to burn a wooden stick. Now we can see the results in 3, 2, 1. Eureka! In these results we can observe there's three things. The pop sound is produced, the fire will be put out, the colorless gas become white.